It's our job to make sure everyone is happy. That's why our team works so hard at providing great service. It's so rewarding to receive and share great feedback like this.
I cracked my phone screen and CPR fixed my screen in less than 30 minutes. They have a friendly staff too. Now I have my phone back in time for all the Christmas events I'll want to take pictures of. Glad a friend told me about this place.
5-star experiences are great, and our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. Don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.